Good afternoon everyone. Today in this tutorial we are going to see a problem based on Python language and based on sets concept. So here we are going to just count the unique words in a sentence. So we're just going to count the unique words in a sentence. How can we do that? Okay, in sets in Python. So let's just see here. We actually need to create a variable which is going to store a sentence. Let's say Python is fun. So this is just totally optional. Whatever you want, you can just write as per your choice. Also, the statement is powerful. So this is a statement. I just want to get the count of how many unique words are there in the sentence, right? I'll create a new words variable which is going to store the, this is actually the sentence. I just want to split out this sentence into the words by the help of split method. So we are very much aware about the split method. It will just split out my sentence within the words, right? So what am I going to do here? I'm going to create another variable which is named as unique words, just for better understanding. Okay, which is going to take the words in the form of set. What I'm going to do here, I have already splitted out my sentence, and we are very much aware that set only stores the unique values, right? I'm simply going to use out my unique words variable here. Unique words count, and I can just pass out my variable which is unique words. If I'll just try to run, let's just try to get the response. Fun and Python is powerful. You can check out that all the repeated words have been deleted and only the unique words is being stored, right? See, is being repeated. We have the is once only. Fun is singular and is singular. Python is two times and powerful. This is how you can just try to get the response of unique things, no duplication. Thank you.